What if I told you that people are quietly making anywhere from $500 to over $5,000 a month using nothing but a free AI tool and a laptop? No degree, no experience, no special skills. The crazy part, most of them had never made a single penny online before they started. I'm talking about ChatGPT, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how ordinary people are using it right now to make real money online, step by step. So if you've been looking for a way to earn extra income this year, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to have a clear plan you can actually start today. Let's get into it. Welcome to Income Shift, the channel where we break down real, actionable ways to make money online, without the fluff, without the scams, and without wasting your time. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We drop new videos every single week, and you don't want to miss what's coming. Alright, let's talk about ChatGPT and money. Now, before we get into the ways to make money, I want to quickly clear something up. Because a lot of people are still confused about what ChatGPT actually is. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot you talk to for fun. It's an incredibly powerful writing and thinking tool. It can write articles, emails, scripts, product descriptions, business plans, social media content, you name it. And here's the thing that most people are sleeping on. Businesses need all of that content every single day. And most of them don't have the time or the skills to create it themselves. That's where you come in. Let me walk you through 4 of the most practical ways people are earning money with ChatGPT right now. Freelance writing services. This is the most beginner-friendly one, so pay attention. Go to a site called Fiverr or Upwork. Both are free to sign up. Create a profile offering blog posts, website content, or email newsletters. Now here's the key. When a client orders from you, you use ChatGPT to write a first draft. Then you read through it, tweak it slightly to make it sound more natural, and deliver it. People on Fiverr are charging anywhere from $30 to $150 for a single blog post. And with ChatGPT helping you, you can write 4 or 5 of those a day. You're not lying to anyone. You're using a tool, just like a carpenter uses a drill instead of a hammer. It's faster, it's smarter, and the client gets great content. Method 2. Selling ChatGPT prompts. This one surprises people when they hear it. But there's actually a marketplace called Promptbase, where people buy and sell ChatGPT prompts. A prompt is basically a set of instructions you give ChatGPT to get a really good result. And people pay for well-crafted ones because they save time. You can create prompts for things like writing job applications, creating social media captions, generating business ideas, and sell them for $2 to $10 each. It sounds small, but if you create 20 good prompts and they each sell 10 times a month, that's a passive income stream you build in an afternoon. Method 3. YouTube automation. Now this one is close to home, because this is actually how this channel works. YouTube automation means creating videos without showing your face. You use ChatGPT to write the script, like this one right here. Then use AI voiceover tools and video generators to put the whole thing together. Channels doing this in the finance and make money online space are earning from YouTube AdSense, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Some of them are making thousands of pounds and dollars a month, completely faceless. The barrier to entry is low, the tools are mostly free or cheap, and the earning potential is genuinely high. Method 4. Affiliate marketing with AI content. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Here's how ChatGPT fits in. You use it to create blog posts, YouTube descriptions, or social media content that naturally mentions and recommends products. When someone clicks your link and buys, you get paid. Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale all have free affiliate programs you can join today. The old way of doing affiliate marketing required writing hundreds of articles by hand. With ChatGPT, you can produce that content 10 times faster. Now I want to be real with you for a second, because I don't want to be one of those channels that just hypes things up. None of these methods will make you rich overnight. Anyone telling you that is lying. What they will do is give you a legitimate, scalable income stream if you show up consistently and put in the work in the beginning. The people making serious money with ChatGPT didn't just watch one video and expect it to happen. They picked one method, focused on it, stayed consistent for 60 to 90 days, and built from there. That's it. That's the secret.
So there you have it. 4 real ways to make money with ChatGPT in 2025, starting from zero.
If you found this helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this kind of information. And if you want to see the step-by-step breakdown of any of these methods in detail, subscribe, because that's exactly what's coming next. I'll see you in the next one.